Me personally, I've never used LinkedIn before. I am a coach. Hi. So actually, it was very informative. Me personally, I've never used LinkedIn before. I am a coach, but I've seen how essential using LinkedIn is, because that is where we get the leads and we get the conversion. So when the LinkedIn expert Aditya actually explained us all the different aspects and how we should actually approach and give them requests and actually get it, it was really essential, because we would more likely get the contact of them, and they would become the leads. So that was really helpful, and I saw how important LinkedIn is in the current digital marketing times. Yes, I've implemented when it comes to building a super cool profile, how good it is going to be, how good it is going to get people into it, and how good friendly, how good approachable it is. I've seen a lot of people come visit to my page, and I have received engagements better than before.